I'm excited to come today and discuss the pending acquisition of the Discovery Labware business from Becton Dickinson, the majority of which will move into the Corning Life Science division. The use of this portfolio enables us to expand our product range as they go to both the drug discovery market as well as to the academic market. In addition to this, it broadens our range of products that would be used by our various distributors globally. The acquisition and these products enables us to bring in a broader range of products that fill some gaps in our present line, particularly those that relate to areas of cell culture, as well as those that relate to drug discovery profiling. Specifically, these would include cell culture tubes, they would include laboratory consumables, as well as some of the Matrigel surface coatings, as well as several reagent systems that can be used in drug discovery profiling services. This pending acquisition has a number of advantages, we feel, to Corning Life Sciences, and it's a business that we know very well, having worked in this market for several years. We feel from a margin perspective that the margins will be very similar to our existing businesses. In addition to that, we see their synergies will come partly through the advantages of cross-selling opportunities, but also the ability to take many of these product lines to the emerging markets, therefore. Now, these markets, particularly in the emerging sector, will grow at single-digit rates, and certainly in the academic and the drug discovery sector, they will grow comparably as well. So overall, we feel this is an attractive proposition for us. It's an attractive business that we know well, and it's certainly one we feel will propel us to be a billion-dollar business by 2014. In terms of the financials for this deal, it obviously will be a complex integration, although by 2013 we feel it will be slightly accretive, and by 2016 and beyond it will be fully accretive for Corning. Also by 2016 we anticipate that this will generate full free cash flow by that time and also beyond that period as well. Well, in terms of how this deal fits with the growth strategy in life sciences, let's maybe take a step back and look at both the history of Corning Life Sciences and also some of the trends in the life science market. Corning Life Sciences is a business that has been with the company for at least 90 years and has a highly respected place in the market as well as a highly respected series of product lines. In addition to that, the life science marketplace is going through an era of consolidation and a series of mergers and acquisitions. And Corning Life Sciences has had an articulated goal of being a billion-dollar business by 2014 as it participates in this era of mergers and acquisitions. So over the last 2 to 3 years, for example, Life Sciences has acquired Axygen, it's acquired Gosselin, and it's acquired MediaTek, and the fourth one now is the proposed acquisition of the Discovery Labware business. This track record, plus this intense activity of acquisitions and subsequent integrations, we feel is positioning us well for the upcoming integration of the Discovery Labware business. I think in terms of life sciences, particularly the drug discovery industry, there have been several trends that have really started to accelerate in the last 2 or 3 years. One of these has been a consolidation within the drug discovery industry. As they start to slim down, as they start to get more focused on new therapies, but also as they start to outsource what traditionally have been internal research activities. What this means for Corning Life Sciences is that now we can provide a portfolio of offerings which speak to where they want to outsource some of these activities, but also speak in terms of providing new technologies for them to do new drug discovery research. In addition to that, there has been the growth of life sciences in emerging markets such as China, and it's arguable that the emerging markets in that country are no longer emerging. As a result of that, Corning Life Sciences has responded, and we now have a manufacturing base for life sciences in China. We now distribute directly to China as well, and there we feel we can capitalize on what we hope is going to be a very greatly expanding marketplace. It's an exciting time in life sciences at the moment as the industry starts to move in new areas, and Corning Life Sciences starts to move with that trajectory as it starts to execute on its mergers and acquisitions strategy. I was personally excited about joining this business, partly because this business is growing at about 16% in this era of growth in life sciences. But in addition to that, I had the advantage of knowing both Corning from my research work when I was working in the lab, as well as through Corning Life Sciences through various business deals that I'd done with them within my previous company. So when I add all of that together, that plus the strong reputation of Corning Life Sciences, as well as its strong move into this growth area of life sciences, it was an attractive move for me professionally to come across and join the division. And so far it's been a great pleasure leading the group.